Hello everyone, welcome to Bella Events and Interiors YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Hit the subscribe button and follow along for the journey. I've been away for a while, but I'm back and I'm going to show you today some DIY Christmas ornaments. I posted some on group on Facebook that I'm in, and people were quite interested in me showing how I did it. It's super simple, so this video should not take long. Of course, I bought some ornaments from, I had these sometime, I think I got them from Michael's. These are the plastic ones. You can use glass as well, I've been told, but I have not tried them yet. But anyway, this is the plastic one here that I got from Michael's. Yes, Michael's. I just checked my container that it came in, so I'll make sure I put a list of what I'm using here. So you have to have some ornaments. They come in different shapes, different sizes. This is the one that I chose, the bigger ones. The little ones, to me, I just feel like it's not really worth doing it. You don't get much bang for your buck for the little one. That's just my opinion. Some like it. So we need a cup. You can use a paper cup. These are just some old cups that I have that I'm going to use. I also have the acrylic paint in many different colors. Even standing here, I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I was thinking about doing a black with white, but I don't know. We'll see. I have a lot of colors here. As you can see, you can get them from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, even from the Dollar Tree. None in particular that I like over the others, but here we go. So this is all you're going to need for this project, and of course some ribbon for your ornament to put it on your tree. And you can use whatever color you want according to what color you're going to pour. And we're going to pour some acrylic paint in here. You can do one color and or two colors or three colors, whatever you want to do. I mean, it's art, so you do what works for you. So here we go. So I'm back, everyone. I used the paint that I had. I actually didn't have a lot in some of my containers, but I just wanted to show you the technique. You can use whatever color you're going to be decorating your tree or arrangements or whatever you may be doing with your ornaments. I use these colors, as you can see, white and gold, black and gold and white, and then red and gold and green. So I just used what I had. I just wanted to show you the technique, and we're going to let that dry. To be sure, I'm going to wait about 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you the end result. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to show you another thing that you can do with the ornaments, but here's one of them that is done. And what I've done is I've taken some ribbon, and I'm just gonna, you can either glue it down or you can tie it, however you want to do it. I'm just gonna put a little glue, hot glue on this, and we'll be complete with that. And you have a way to hang your ornament. And this is your ornament. I think it came out really well. It looked really pretty on your tree. Again, I just use colors that I had. You can make them any color you want to fit what you are doing for your decorations and decor for Christmas. You don't have to use them just on your tree. You can make smaller ones and use them in a container. This is the other one that I did with the black and the gold and white, which I think it came out be pretty with a black velvet ribbon. I just don't have any with me in my office here where I am now, but a black or gold velvet ribbon would be pretty. You could also use white. And here is the other ornament that we did. I think they all came out really nicely. It's something simple. You can do it with your kids, with your family. Be a great project to do over Thanksgiving with your family. So to get them away from the TV and the computers. So also what you can do with the ornaments, let me get another one. You don't have to paint. Also, let me go back to this. You can put across here Mary with your Cricut if you have a Cricut machine, or you can buy the letters from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's to finish this project. If you want to put some words up here, your last name, Mary, Bright, whatever you want to do, or you can leave it plain as is. So here is the other thing that you can do, and this is just two ways to do it with the paint, and also with the these that I got from Dollar Tree. You can use these. I did these for a few people that are in sororities. So on this one, you can just put in some of these. Some pink and green. Make it fun if you're doing a more whimsical tree, or if you're having a little dinner or something for your sorority sisters. You can make these and make them part of your decor. I just put a few in here just to show you. You can fill it with how many ever you like. And you can also do again, like with your Cricut, do some lettering and put on there whatever you want to, or I don't have enough in here. I just wanted to show you. You can fill it up how you want to, but I think this is something really cute that you could do, and you could put a pink ribbon up here. So this is just a couple of things that you can do even over the Thanksgiving holiday with your family. You can make ornaments. And it's something that you don't have to buy. You can kind of customize it to the colors that you're using, especially if you don't see the colors in the store that you would like to use for the holiday. So this would be a good project for you to try with your children, with your family. And I think that crafting and designing and DIYing is some of the best way to relieve stress, to get away from the TV, and start connecting with your family. So this was just a short video. Well, I thought it was going to be short, but it ended up being long than I intended it to be. But I hope you like what I did here today. So if you haven't, subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I'm loading another video. As I stated, I have been away, but I am back, and I'll be trying to load a video at least once a week. See you soon. Enjoy your holiday.